Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a prank using a refrigerator. I'm gonna completely empty the refrigerating side, not the freezing side obviously, I don't want to die. Other than that, I'm gonna be having a little helping hand here. I don't have a name for her yet, so you guys go ahead and try to name her. Leave it down in the comments, because this is not gonna be the only time I ever use her. She's cute though. Other than that, what you're gonna be doing is emptying this whole side. If you see these, they lift and remove them. If anything, if you have other things, you just put them on the side of these panels and then obviously try to fit in, or get somebody that's smaller than you and to help you out. It was her coming up.
Oh my god, you look terrifying. Do you mind if I go like more on the side of the road?
Huh?
Do you mind if I walk on the side of the road? What? Okay.
Okay, I'll get you water, okay?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, did somebody get scared?
No, it's fine.
What are you scared?
Girl, get your shit together. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, notifications as well, you never know. If you are commenting, I will comment back. See you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Deuces. That weave though.